Hello, friends. Welcome you all in this last part on Amir Khan's show. The first slide here is an utterance by Amir Khan, and he says, "And real men don't hold their wives' hands." And we are going to talk about irregular plurals, nouns, singular, plural. Which is the plural here? Wives. And this is a plural of wife. And here wife, the spelling WIFE changes to WIVES. And similarly we have other words. Thief, THIEF, thief becomes thieves. Yes. Leaf, LEAF, leaf is singular and plural leaves. Yes. Knife, knives, KNIFE, knife, knives, KNIVES, knives is plural. Wife, wives, thief, thieves, half, HALF, and the plural HALVES. Yes, this type of plural is called irregular plural. Remember how to make plural of such nouns. Now, antonym of progressive. There are a lot of extremely progressive people in India as well. And Amir Khan doesn't forget to mention the good people in India, as he is talking about female feticide, dowry system. He remembers the positive side of the picture, and he says there are a lot of extremely progressive people in India as well. And progressive, opposite of progressive is, yes, backward. Yes, antonym of progressive is backward people. Backward people, progressive people. Okay, now here is a phrase be going to. And how do we use be going to? Is a continuous tense, present continuous tense. In the first sentence here, nothing is going to change. Nothing is going to change. This is a present continuous tense, but it shows future time. It shows, see, the tense of this sentence is present progressive or present continuous. Be going to, is going to, but it shows future time. I am going to Delhi tomorrow. I am going to meet him. I am going to meet him. Grammatically, it is present progressive tense. I am going to meet him. But the action will be completed in the future time. Hence, be going to expression is in present progressive tense, and it is used to show future time or future tense. Yes. Then an example of compound sentence here. I have seen the worst in mankind and I have seen the best. Yes. How it is or why it is a compound sentence? Because there are two simple sentences. I have seen the worst in mankind, and number two here, I have seen the best. And these two simple sentences are joined by a coordinating conjunction. And see, both these simple sentences are of equal rank. They are independent. These two sentences are independent. I have seen the worst in mankind. This is full sentence. I have seen the best in mankind. This is also a complete sentence. This is the difference between a compound sentence and a complex sentence. In a complex sentence, one sentence is complete and other is a clause dependent on the main clause or main sentence. Remember this difference between a compound sentence and a complex sentence. This utterance is an example of a compound sentence. Okay. You have here a new word, ostracize. He is talking about the victims, village people who ostracized certain group of women from the village. And while narrating the tragedy of those women, Amir Khan uses this word ostracize, and they were ostracized from the village. To be exact, ostracize means bahishkrut, or in exile, and they were ostracized from the village. Nobody keeps any kind of relationship or give and take with a particular person or a family, and that is called ostracize. Bahishkrut. Yes, you know the Marathi word bahishkrut, and that is ostracize. Ostracize is a verb here used in past tense. The villagers ostracized them. Yes, and they were targeted by the people. Okay. Put on is a phrasal verb. So I am putting on a lot of weight. This was the time when his super hit film Dangal was about to release, and you know he was planning to gain weight. So put on is the phrasal verb here, which means to gain, to increase weight, or to gain weight. So I am putting on a lot of weight. So put on means gain on, to increase the weight. Yes. And then this is the concluding remark by the host of this show. She says here, this is a huge deal and inspiring all of us here in America. What you did, she is saying to Amir Khan, through Satyameva Jayate and by blazing the trail to so many social issues, you have done a huge job, and this work is inspiring for all of us here in America. And finally, how does she end the show? See, we are all behind you. See, this is the wish. You are not alone. We are all behind you in this work. Thank you so much. Thank you, and thank you. And this triple thank you is really special and typical. You can make use of this triple thank you when ending a show or some party. That's it for this, and once again thank you.